Tip 1. First, prepare 3 eggs and crack them into 3 separate bowls. Prepare a deep frying pan. Place the pan on the stove and pour in about 500 milliliters of cooking oil, enough to completely cover the eggs when frying. Heat over medium heat until the oil is very hot, around 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. You can test this by gently dropping the tip of a wooden chopstick into the oil. If you see strong bubbles around the chopstick, the oil is ready. The white will begin to set and puff up slightly. Using 2 silicone spoons, gently sprinkle hot oil over the top of the egg white to ensure even cooking. At the same time, carefully shape the egg white around the yolk to create a neat, round shape, making the egg look more attractive and balanced. Once the eggs reach the desired doneness, gently remove them from the oil and let them drain. If you want soft-boiled eggs, fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. After about 60 to 90 seconds, the whites will be fully cooked, but the yolks will still be soft and slightly runny. Do not fry for more than 2 minutes, because the yolks will cook very quickly due to the high oil temperature. At this point, the egg will have a golden, slightly crispy outer layer, while the inside will be soft, creamy, rich, and delicious. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Eggs and bread. First, prepare 2 slices of sandwich bread and cut them into bite-sized squares. Cutting them this small will help the bread absorb the egg more evenly, so that when cooked, the inside will be soft and moist, but still retain a delicious slight chewiness. Try to cut them relatively evenly, so that when cooked, the dish will look neat and appealing. After cutting, set the bread aside for now. Next, prepare the vegetables to add color and nutrition to the dish. Use red and green bell peppers, cut into small cubes similar to the bread, so that when mixed, all the ingredients blend together evenly. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, crack 4 eggs into a large bowl. Finely chopped green onions. After finely chopping the green onions, I add them directly to the bowl of eggs to enhance the aroma. Next, I season with about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Then, using chopsticks or a whisk, I gently beat the eggs until the yolks and whites are completely blended together. No need to beat too vigorously, just until the eggs are smooth and evenly mixed. Once the eggs are mixed, pour them into the prepared bowl of vegetables and mix well so that the vegetables are coated with egg. Now that the preparation is complete, let's put everything in the pan. I place the pan on the stove, turn on the heat, and add a little unsalted butter. Wait until the butter has completely melted and begins to give off a light fragrant aroma. This indicates the pan has reached the ideal temperature. Next, I add all the diced bread to the pan. Using a spatula, I stir evenly so that each piece of bread is coated with a thin layer of butter and slightly browned on all sides. When the bread begins to crisp up and smell fragrant, I spread it evenly across the pan. At this point, I pour in the prepared egg mixture, covering the bread evenly. Use a spoon to spread the bell peppers and bread evenly across the surface. Then close the lid. Keep the heat on low and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the bottom cooks golden brown and the ingredients stick together. Use a larger plate to flip them in. Put the pan back on the stove and add the butter. Place them back in the pan to fry the other side. This time I prepared tomatoes, sliced into thin rounds. Arrange the tomatoes on the surface of the cake. Cut one sausage in half, then slice it thinly. Arrange the sausages evenly in the remaining spaces. Then sprinkle the shredded cheese evenly over the top. Cover the pan for about 1 minute to allow the cheese to melt completely and the ingredients to heat through evenly. When the cheese begins to soften and stretch slightly, that's when the dish is at its best. Turn off the heat, gently transfer to a plate, and enjoy while still hot. So today I've shared with you 2 extremely simple, yet highly effective tips for eggs. One method for deep frying eggs to achieve a crispy golden crust on the outside and a rich soft yolk on the inside. And another method for combining eggs with bread to create a nutritious, delicious, and incredibly easy to make breakfast at home. I hope these little tips will help make your meals more interesting and appealing every day. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit like to support me. And if you love simple, easy to follow recipes like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest videos. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next videos.